There dwells a maiden of humble renown, mga tumandok nga gwapahon, may malumhok na baratyagan. In intellect and grace, they shine so bright. Pareho kang namulang kag nagsadhan, promoting our heritage, playing a part, a cause that close to their heart. In the heart of the land where wildflowers bloom, mga daraga na mapabugal natin. Lin-ay Kang Igbaras, Lin-ay Kang Igbaras, gracefully beautiful. Lin-ay Kang Igbaras, Lin-ay Kang Igbaras, with a heart so pure. Lin-ay Kang Igbaras, Lin-ay Kang Igbaras, hold the beauty of ancestors. Mga Inday, gracefully beautiful. Walks with dignity, heads turned her way, with confidence that makes the night's way. Lin-ay Kang Igbaras, a celebration so grand. With grace, we honor our land. In every candidacy, beauty and brains, talents they thrive, making dreams alive. Just a Igbaras, where traditions renew, our rich culture shines through. In the heart of the land where wildflowers bloom, mga daraga na mapabugal natin. Lin-ay Kang Igbaras, Lin-ay Kang Igbaras, gracefully beautiful. Lin-ay Kang Igbaras, Lin-ay Kang Igbaras, with a heart so pure. Lin-ay Kang Igbaras, Lin-ay Kang Igbaras, all the beauty of ancestors. Mga Inday, gracefully beautiful. In the heart of Igbaras, where traditions hold sway, the Lin-ay Kang Igbaras pageant lights up the way. A beacon of culture shining bright and true on the tapestry of Tangyan, a river as vibrant as you.